Alright, BevNerd.com fans, I've got a special sneak peek onto what we're eating this week on the BevNerd Video Podcast. These are CaffeMallows made by Hip Caffex. It's Java Mallows, Coffee Mallows, and Mocha Mallows. Let's check them out. Da-na-na-na. Hey, I'm happy to hear you're a marshmallow devotee. I don't blame you for rescuing them from the ground, which I'll talk about that on this week's episode. I've been a marshmallow freak my entire conscious life, so I understand completely. Here's some samples, blah, blah, blah. And here's a little shiny face, a little smiley sun. So, thank you, June. You can check them out at caffex.com. That's C-A-F-F-E-X. We got some nice grass. Oh, wow. That's pretty neat looking. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. What could this mean? We like to call these in the South extra. And what we do with extra is give them away on this podcast. But let's take them and check them out real quick. I'm not going to try them. I'll let you just have your salivation glands going on all week. But here's the this is the CaffeMallows pop-in power coffee shot with a double coffee boost, Java Mallows, and Mocha. Ooh, I love marshmallows. Can't wait to try these this week.